Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Peaky Pops. Valentine's Day is around the corner and today I have a quick DIY planter which is made from the material which is easily available at home and you can gift it to your loved ones. Let's get started. We will need a food packaging container in black color. With the help of glue gun I have written together forever. This will give a embossed look. I have made few hearts in front and back to cover the area. Then I have used acrylic color in pink color. You can use color of your choice and with the help of dabber I have painted it so that the embossed effect is more visible. Then I have used golden acrylic color to highlight it more like this. You can use color of your choice. I have also used golden sparkle just to highlight the text. Isn't it looking pretty and it is super easy to make. Once you finish this step, you have to make sure that your container is completely dry before proceeding to the next step. Once it's completely dry, you can use Mod Podge to make it waterproof. Then I've pasted a jute string on the rim of the container. If you don't have it, you can skip the step or use anything which is available at home. Then, in the end, cut the extra end and seal it with hot glue gun. Like this. To make the cute birdies, I have used disposable spoons and painted one in blue and the other in pink. Then, I have pasted googly eyes, beak and the tail. Similarly, paste the googly eyes, wings and tail and beak on the pink birdie. Isn't it looking cute? Now we'll take two sticks and color them. You can use any sticks. Then from behind, we'll paste the birds on the sticks. Like this. You have to let it dry for a while. I have used jade plant in my planter. You can use any of them. Then I have used these colorful stones to decorate the top part of the soil. It looks very pretty. And our Valentine's Day special DIY is almost ready. Let's insert our birdies in the planter and it's done. Isn't it a super cute planter made with love for your loved ones? Happy Valentine's Day. Hope you liked it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the ring bell. Do share with your family and friends. I post videos on every Saturdays. In next video, I will be posting 3 very unique greeting card ideas for Valentine's Day. So don't forget to watch it. Thank you for watching. Bye.